Hello, Flynn. This is to my wonderful grandson that taught me how to make an airplane. So, I'm going to show you how I'm going to make an airplane just like he showed me. Now, we need a big piece of paper because when you get through folding this, it's a small plane, so you got to get a big piece of paper. So you want, first of all, you got to have tools. You got to have a pair of scissors. You got to have a hammer. You got to have a paper roll and a bicycle bell works fine too. So what we want to do is, first of all, with our scissors, we want to cut the corners off. Get every corner. Every corner. Very important. You get them all the same on all four corners. Okay. So then, let's start folding. You fold it over this way. Make sure it's nice and even. And get ready to make the next fold. And we're going to just fold it some more and fold it some more and fold. Uh-oh, okay. I get carried away with folding. I want to make sure that we get this way. So we're going to fold it this way, I think. Okay, so we'll fold it this way. And then, actually what we want to do is we want to hit it with a hammer. Hitting it with a hammer will make it really work well. And so now we got it ready. It doesn't look like a plane yet. I'll tell you, well, let's just start all over. Alright, so now we're going to hold it again. And then I think I didn't hit it hard enough with my hammer. So, well, I don't know what I could do with this. So I think what I'm going to do is just jump up and down on it. Maybe you can see what I'm doing here. Jump up and down. Okay. Alright. Let's see, I want to make sure. Well, that doesn't, it's not looking like a plane yet, but it will in a little bit. I may have to do this over. Oh, I know what. I've got to step on it 3 times instead of 4. Okay. Here we go again. We're going to fold this out again. And then we're going to hammer it a little bit. And then we bless it with a bell. Okay, now we're going to stomp on it again. 1, 2, 3. There we go. That was just right. I did it wrong by stepping on it 4 times. Now I know the secret is 3 times. This is neat, and it's a lot of work. You saw how we did it. It's a hammer and what have you. Now, let's see if I can throw this, and you can see how well it flies. Oops, it ran into the polisher. Yeah, it flies pretty good. Maybe we can go outside and try it. Let's go outside, see if this one. It's very important you step on it 3 times, not 4. That's what made it go. Okay, we ready? Very good. Okay. All right, that is the conclusion of my lesson on how to make a paper airplane. Now, I would like to have you send me some more instructions so I can see if I can make some more different airplanes or some maybe little animals or things like that. You are so good at it, and I do thank you very much. And I love you. I love you, Flynn. Love you, Amy. Bye-bye.